Gesta Normannorum Ducum is a chronicle originally created by the monk William of Jumièges just before 1060. In 1070 William I had William of Jumièges extend the work to detail his rights to the throne of England. In later times, Orderic Vitalis and Robert of Torigni extended the volumes to include history up until Henry I. The Gesta Normannorum Ducum by William of Jumièges has become the principal work of Norman historical writings, one of many written to glorify the Norman conquest of England. But unlike most, it was probably started in the late 1050s as a continuation of Dudos de Moribus. The monk William returned to his writing after the conquest, most probably at the request of William the Conqueror. The final version of his history was written at his monastery at Jumièges c. 1070 to 1071. During the 12th century there were interpolations and additions, first by Orderic Vitalis, then by Robert of Torigni, who added an entire book on Henry I of England. During the medieval period his work was widely circulated and was an essential work in most monasteries and was the basic source on which the histories of Wace and Benoit de Saint-Maury were based. William's Gesta Normannorum Ducum survives today in 47 manuscripts. Jules Lair undertook a modern translation, but the final work was interrupted by his death. The work was completed M. Jean Marx, a French scholar who published his translation in 1914. The original version had ended with the reduction of the north by the Conqueror in 1070, but a passage mentioning Robert Curthose as Duke appears to be a revision sometime after 1087. However, there was no evidence that William made a continuation beyond 1070. This text displays a difference from William's writing and so would seem to be of an unknown origin, but it was included by Marx in his translation, assuming it was by the original author. The most recent translations were edited and translated by Elizabeth M.C. Van Hout and were published in 2 volumes, Volume 1 in 1992 and Volume 2 in 1995, both by the Clarendon Press, Oxford.